Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change accessibility button location in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to additional settings. And here select accessibility. And here select accessibility button. Already accessibility button location is set to floating button. Okay, click on location and see here floating button is selected. Okay, floating button means if you turn on accessibility menu, that button will appear as a floating button. You can move it anywhere and place it anywhere on the screen. Okay, now I am checking how it shows. Okay, I just click on accessibility menu and turn on shortcut here and give permission and click OK. See here, this is accessibility menu. Okay, this is accessibility button, so you can move this button anywhere and place anywhere on the screen. Okay, suppose if you would like to change this button location, just what you have to do is click on accessibility button and click on location and select other option navigation bar, so that button is now moved to the navigation bar here, and this will be fixed here. It cannot be moved anywhere on the screen. Okay, and just if you click on it, accessibility button options will be available and you can use it. Okay, so in this way you can easily change accessibility button location in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.